We are a data-centric, data-heavy company with a very wide breadth of data. And we've experienced a stretch of our data feeling wide but lacking the depth for advanced insight.
So Caplugs is a global manufacturer of molded plastic parts for industrial equipment. They're selling to different companies sitting in different regions of the world that have different regulatory requirements. You had a lot of business users, sales folks, operation folks who were not being data-driven in their decision-making and their planning.
We had a lot of SSRS reports that were describing the same KPI metrics, but they all had their own flavor to them. So we were trying to rein those in a little bit and build a centralized semantic model that will create consistency in our reporting.
When we were searching for a vendor, Caplugs chose Quisitive because we needed a vendor who was able to guide us through the critical processes where we had gaps, the data engineering side, the initial scope work, and the discovery work.
When we engaged with them initially, the environment was not very stable, had a lot of production and performance interruptions, so the business couldn't do what it needed to do. So I think that the biggest part of the first phase of our journey was getting that stabilization and getting that platform to where we could leverage it in the future.
By going in, modernizing their data state, centralizing it, and improving the user experience associated with that data, we've set them up, much better for data adoption by the business.
I like working with Quisitive. They're experts in their field. Whenever we have an issue pop up in our day-to-day, we're calling them or asking them if they're able to help us out, fix the issue. They're also there for when we're looking to build something new, move some data into the cloud. They're our first contact.
I think what the business is going to realize is reporting at scales that were previously impossible, unifying our reporting by geography, homogenizing and standardizing KPIs and measures across our business.
Based on the work we've done, what they're getting out of their Fabric solution now is the ability to ask questions of their data, extract insights from their data. A business user who has some Excel skills can go in now, interface with Power BI, and get insights fairly quickly on their own without having to go through IT.
We did a lot of new features in Fabric, such as schema shortcuts, fabric mirroring, and a few other tricks of the trade that got us some quick results and some quick wins for our client.
Before working with Quisitive, we had a sea of paginated reports and on-prem Power BI data. Now, we have a unified data platform that allows us to scale our data and analytics and allows us to unlock reporting at scales that the business has yet to see.
Now that we have a consistent flow of data, not only are we able to recreate a lot of the previous analytics that were built on-prem, but we're going to be able to unlock the AI capabilities and the new features that come along with Fabric.
Our enterprise insight and analytics team is now executing a charter to operationalize data and analytics against a unified platform across all business domains and across geographies spanning the world of the business.
In a previous life, I was an IT director, so I've lived some of the problems that our clients have. And so what's really rewarding for me in this position is I get to help those clients with their challenges, and at the same time, I can see the benefits of the technology and the solutions we put in place.
I view Fabric as a foundation for Caplugs. This is a modern data platform sitting in the cloud that will grow with them. As their business expands, this will be something that they can more easily update and enhance to meet their evolving business needs.
My advice for anybody getting ready to embark on a similar transformational journey is to do as much homework, to do as much pre-prep as you possibly can. I highly recommend checking out a vendor like Quisitive as a partner who can meet your demands, who can fill gaps along the way, and can help keep the project on scope.
The thing that you can expect is that we're always going to be there for you. We want you to be successful with your environments and the solutions that we provide, and we want to show that there's business impact.
If you're looking to modernize your data estate, then I highly recommend Quisitive as a partner to help do that.